Sisi's gonna unbox this. Look our way. Inflatable tubeman air dancer. It's as you see, it's a 6 feet air dancer complete set. Right, honey? This is a complete set.
Yeah. Air dancer.
Air waver air dancer. 6 feet complete set. There you go. This is an air waver.
Look, it's towing it.
Oh my goodness. Go, Sissy! Go! Yeah! Oh! Before you turn that on,
Dada, like and subscribe, or else on St. Patrick's Day you'll have no luck.
oh no!
Okay, let's turn this on.
Here we go! What you doing there?
I'm playing NPC.
What is that PC?
It's basically characters that you talk to, but aren't actually real. That like talk. But anyway,
So as in, what's that? Yeah, but that's not the one that we're gonna do. Maybe look behind it.
oh, come on.
What?
I thought you said it was something there, and
Yes, it's something rare. It's something unique, it's something rare, it's something special. We hasn't have that yet. And you gotta unbox it today together with your Wacky brother.
I said this. And you said no.
Oh, did I say no?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear that. So, are you excited or not?
What's the wrong friend?
Maybe Sisi's gonna open it.
Yeah. Let Z open it. I'm not.
And then when he said that, what is that? Look! 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 Look!
It's the air dancer.
What is that?
It's an air dancer.
You sure?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Let's see. Let's do it! Wait, before you open that, it's already disassembled. Oh my goodness. Oh, Sisi's that coming with us?
Wait.
I think Sisi Kuya is just gonna play with this tablet. What you think, Kuya?
Yeah.
See? Are you not coming with us?
Wait, I need to put my shoes on.
Where's your slip-ons? Go get it. Go get your slip-ons
I
right
want
there.
to find them.
Kuya?
Find that air dancer?
Yeah.
I gotta call him Carmi.
Can you turn off your tablet first? Oh my goodness. What's that then? What?
But I should finish.
You gotta wear daddy's shoe.
No,
Daddy's gonna need it. Let me see that. Daddy's gonna need it.
Daddy needs those.
Go get your shoe. Where is your shoe?
Shoes are right there.
Ay, ay, ay. Poor air dancer.
Hello, Wacky. Today we found this air dancer and we never subscribed or else I'm gonna go inside a abandoned UFC gym ever.
Oh, we gotta go inside an abandoned UFC gym like this?
Yeah. Hello guys, today we found this abandoned UFC gym out in Nevada. It's clearly closed and a week ago.
No, Z, it closed in 2018 due to low profits. The place sadly closed like somewhere until like, I don't know, 2018, and then like for a few years it became like a hookup palace or something. No, it was a cigar lounge, right, Dad?
It was cigar lounge, yeah.
I
Oh,
think
you
it's,
can see all the dust there. And there used to be a bar in there.
Yep.
I learned something new every day.
it's locked.
Yep, it's locked. There's another place over here, Dad. Here was the entrance.
This is the
That-
entrance room. I've been abandoned.
Yeah, so that's. Oh, hey, there's a second floor.
That's sick.
Upstairs was the office.
Yeah, over there.
Right.
Over there was the office. Z, don't! You're gonna violate him.
And this is
Yeah.
Look inside there. Look. Okay. What do you see in there?
A chair,
Tables, right?
chairs, more chairs.
Mm-hmm.
and I saw an exit.
The smell of cigars,
And I saw an exit door.
which is weird.
Dad, I saw an exit door.
Oh yeah, and it looks like there's an elevator there.
Yep, that's a handicap elevator.
Dad,
And over here's there's a sign over there, but I didn't usually get there.
I saw an exit door.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the fire exit.
There's an exit door, and
Fortunately, I don't think
I think it's abandoned.
there's another place over there, but there's another abandoned place over there, but I don't think we should visit it.
That's for today, Wackies. See you next time. Bye. Have an abandoned UFC gym day.
What? Guys, we got Sisi's gonna unbox this. Look our way. Inflatable tubeman air dancer. It's as you see, it's a 6 feet air dancer complete set. Right, honey? Is this a complete set?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a complete set. Mama's gonna do
Oh
it.
no, oh no, oh no, oh no,
Oh.
oh no.
Don't hold my hand, honey. I'm not sure what I'm doing.
Malacco Sam is a 6 feet.
This is not Uncle Sam. This is a new one. We haven't had this. We haven't had this, but we wanted to have this. Now I found it at Amazon, and it reduced the price. And I said, I'm gonna buy this for Kuya and Z, right? Because we haven't had an air dancer like this yet. So I'm so excited. What is their reaction when they see this? And we have to be careful, guys, because the knife is
Very dangerous.
very dangerous and it is short. So when you open it, make your mama or daddy or any adult to help
And
you out.
it will cut your finger.
Yes, hold on. Sisi, let me go back. Okay? Unbox it, see. What it is, see?
This is stop.
It has a stop paper. What? A stop paper? First time we ever see a stop paper. What it is? What's that? What is it? Read it. I thought you know how to read. Read it. What is it in here? Go,
Gold.
go,
Go.
we,
Free.
gorilla.
Gorilla air dancer.
Air Waver Air Dancer! 6 feet complete set! There you go! This is an air air waver.
Look, it's towing it.
Oh my goodness. Why is it not in the bag? Does he have a hole in his, nothing, in his head? Nothing?
I think they can win.
And it has a face. What the face look like? What the face look like? It's a gorilla. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ooh, 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 ah, ah. And look at that.
It's muscle.
And it has a muzzle. Yeah, how does it do? Alright, that's how it do. Right, guys? But if it's an ordinary air dancer, what did this do? Like this. Only like this, right? See? It just sway like that, right?
Yeah.
But it is an air waver. What it does do? Alright. So we get the 6-feet gorilla air waver air dancers, guys. And we have a brand new
Blower.
blower.
And a look our way.
And a look our way.
And let's see.
You have to take it out first. You have to take this out first. Honey.
See the part.
Ah, the vortex. Does it have a vortex? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing. So I
And
wonder.
then it does have vortex.
Yeah, so come on, open it up. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Oh,
Bring it up. Bring it up. There you go. Sisi's gonna take out the blower off the box. Go, Zizi. Go, Zizi. Wanna help?
no.
Will Mama needs help? When he needs help? Ah, there you go. Wow.
Blower.
Yes, look at the sky. I think they give us a wrong blower because this should be a 10-feet air waver because it's so big, guys. The blower they give us is
Small.
a small one. It fits 6 feet, right? See? So we're gonna have to put the 10 feet. Do you know where's our 10 feet? Go get our. Oh, look at that! It has a feet in here. Gorilla's feet. See? Look. See? Gorilla feet.
Oh.
Maybe that's the reason why they return it at Amazon. Because they order a 6-feet complete set gorilla air wavers and they give them a 6-feet blower but a 10-feet gorilla air waver. So we're gonna get the 10-feet
I think
blower.
it makes a bad
It's okay to make mistake, right? See?
Yeah.
So this is our
10
10-feet blower. Sisi's gonna transfer it. Okay, and while Sisi's putting it on the 10-feet blower, Kuya and Sisi is gonna show you how they have fun at Sky Zone. Kuya and Sisi's already there, and they are so excited. They say, "Oh my goodness, that's the fastest walk I ever seen of them." Come on, see! Come on, see! Look at that! Susie's gonna do the trapeze! See! Go, Susie! Go, Susie! Whoa! Yeah! Awesome! Awesome! Good! Okay! Good! Whoa! You did it! You did it! See? That's how it goes. Oh, see? You can run towards that. Come on. Come on. Whoa! See? This makes him challenge his muscle. Look at that. Ah! Where's your baby brother? Where's that? There you go. What you doing, Desi? Oh my goodness. What you call this? Multi-level? Go on, see. Come on, see. Are you there? What happened? Why is it small? What's happening? Oh, I told you, see, right? Did I told you, right? Oh.
And he said, ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
And it is a double face.
Yeah.
All right, so
Double face always says face. Look our way.
look our way. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited with this. See? Let's put it back where it belongs.
Hello, Wackies! Today we just got something from Amazon, and it is a gorilla air waver from Look Our Way.
Our first ever air wavers.
That is right, Mom.
And that is an ice cream, and we don't have money to buy for an ice cream
Ice cream!
because we already buy it for the gorilla air wavers. What is this? Is this a gorilla, baby? What you doing there? There's a bird poop in there, see? Yuck!
Mommy?
Alright, Kuya, before you turn that on,
You gotta like and subscribe, or else on St. Patrick's Day you'll have no luck.
oh no!
Okay, let's turn this on.
Here we go!
It's gonna work.
What the heck? You are so violent! Don't do that! No! Oh, look at that, Kuya! It has feet! Like your feet! And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 abs! Kuya has 1! And a big chest! Kuya has a big chest too! And it is have a pants. Is this a pants? And it is back to back, guys. Back to back.
this for Godzilla and Kong?
Kuya Godzilla and a King Kong.
Mom, that should be its name.
Huh?
That should be its name.
King Kong?
Yeah,
Not gorilla, just a King Kong?
yeah.
Kuya! Godzilla versus Gorilla King Kong! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What the heck is that? Da-da-da. Come on. Da-da-da. What's that? What you call that? Da-da-da-da-da-da.
I feel good.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Feel
Feel good.
So good. I love you.
What is this? Oh.
Ow, I feel good.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
I do it around here.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
I feel.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
So good.
Da-da-da.
So good. I love you.
Oh my goodness. dancer.
And
A small blower. The blower needs to be 10 feet for 10 feet blower. It gives us 6 feet. Maybe the reason why the first buyers return it.
Daddy, that's his fault.
we got that on option.
No. Amazon use.
We'll get it right.
Yeah? All right.
That's over there, Wacky. See you next time. Bye. I mean, go out every day. Bye. Remember to subscribe, or else you can find somebody and ready to teach them. Bye. He's dead.
Can you
Why
stop, please, poaching the animals?
Why you killed the gorillas, yo?
You must pray.
Oh no, that's bad.
I didn't kill it, but let's kill ya.
Hello, welcome to HOLT'S Incredible World. King Kong Gorilla Air Waivers. Don't forget to
Like, subscribe.